Hey y'all. Okay, I had to go take my daughter to a doctor's appointment, and I just got a wig. I took my other hairstyle down, so I'm in between styles. So we're going to wear, because you're gonna do it with me. I'm gonna pop on this wig and see how it is. But this is from WestKiss. I got the deal where they sent me a free curling iron too. They don't always do that, but let me open up the wig. This. So y'all can see, I'm showing it to y'all real and raw. Okay? Real and raw, that's how I do it. Now, I told y'all that I like to find beginner-friendly wigs, right? Because I'm still a beginner. I don't really know how to do a whole bunch of cutting and all that, but I try to get into all of them. And I'm on a time crunch, so I hope this is ready to go out the bag. So yeah, cute little bonnet. These caps, some kind of code, what else we got here? A band. So you can do your edges, slip them down, and then 2 clips. Alright, so I am going to just pull this back just a little bit. I'm not going to do too much with it, okay? Hold on. I'm just putting it to the back. See that? Don't judge me, y'all. And then I'm going to throw this on. No me struggling. I'll just put at the pack because I really don't have the time to be trying to make it amazing. Got some curls. Oh, okay. I'm bend for something. Let's see. Okay, it's already cut. It has comb here, comb at the bottom, a band because it's supposed to be glueless, and you can also adjust it there at the bottom. Okay, let me throw this on y'all. I literally have to go. I don't even have time to put like any kind of color on it or nothing. So this gonna have to do. All right. And this is a side part, which I like a good side part. It's not on the side, but I usually like it on the olive. Okay, make sure the band is flush to my head. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I don't have it on all the way. It's me. It's not the wig. It's me. Let me get this together with the band. Okay. Okay. I can have it turned the right way. Okay, look at that. Ooh. I gotta put something on it because it don't look like my color around here. Hold on. Let me find a brush. Okay, so I have this. I bought this. This is specifically for wigs. Let me try this darker color. I'm just gonna put this here, y'all. Charlotte, help me find some earrings to put on with this.
Huh?
Help me find some earrings to put on with this. And some sandals.
Okay.
I didn't have time for anything else, so this for now. Somebody probably screaming in the camera. Oh, girl, why are you doing that? I'm eating crunch. But I'm trying to see. Let's see if you were in a crunch, if you can come and be ready to go.
Want these?
That's fine. Baby, I think I got these earrings.
Well, it's my fault they're small.
Thank you. Oh, I have some right here. Never mind.
You do?
Look, this is cute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. All right. Oh, come tell me how my hairline look, child. With my wig, I had to. Hold on. I had to blend it. Okay, it might not look blended right now.
Bossing, no, it's not blended right now, girl. You can tell it's too many hairs there.
Hold on, girl. Hold on. Y'all, my daughter said, y'all not about to have me out here looking a hot mess. What? This band is annoying me right now. It's the band to make it loose because I'm trying to pop these combs on the side under these braids right here to keep it intact. So I won't be gone with the wind. When that time the wind tried to take my wig, I was going to the movies. We can't have that right there. Okay. Is that better?
Girl, it's just popping out. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I mean, it looks good enough.
Oh, you know what?
I don't know if you can blend a little more or not.
Okay, what time is it?
Um,
No, let me put this on here.
Okay.
Just to
It's 1:44.
Just to tack it down real quick. Just a little bit of glue. Oh, and I have a small head too. I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting. These are one size all heads. I mean, wigs. So I have to remember that you gotta kind of make a little adjustments for that part because everybody's head is not the same size. So I put that down there and hold that on the side like bam. These curls are cute out the you're a hater.
We argued them.
Cause what was that about? Like what? Okay, girl. this is what this band is for. Baby, this needs to be flat. So I actually have to get ready to come up. Emotional. I am about to comb out the curls just so y'all can see it. Whew. Excuse me. Go to the nail shop with my girls after this. I'm still gonna put the tag on my clothes. Try. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so let's take this band off. Good enough. And the curls out the pack. Very cute. Very cute. I really don't have time to do my nails. I need to wear some of these. I'm coming back. This is more up now. You seen it was curly, but I knocked the curls out. But almost completely. I think the only thing that for a beginner you will have to do something with the lace because I'm darker, so that lace color is not my tone. So that might not be a thing for other people because it might match your tone just fine, but you know, just for out the bag, because I'm just about to go to the doctor. You see, I tried to blend that right there as much as possible to look like this, but other than that, it's not too big. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's cute. I'm not gonna curl it, but I don't got time, so I gotta go. But okay, that's it. That's it. Yeah, and I'm just going up the street. It's cute though. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Let me know what y'all think.